Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. It's been a long road, but I finally have the Scrambler body sitting on the frame. Engine's covered up. I put all the body mounts on there. I've got a set of urethane body mounts, and I stuck them on all the frame outriggers, and the body absolutely laid down there perfectly. So it's sitting on every mount, and we'll get more into where I'm at on the rear of this. You remember the front floor is in, and a sneak peek there of the rear floor, and I've got some photos and stuff, and I'll show you the rear floor coming out now, and we'll get back to this in a little bit. Okay guys, there's everything clamped and clecoed in. Got a little work to do on that wheelhouse right there, and got the tail light panels clamped in, and I just hung a tailgate on there to get the fit, you know, to get my gaps right here and stuff. So I'm still waiting on that new old stock one to come in, but we're real close here. Nothing's welded in yet. I got to put the roll bar in next, and drill the holes in the front, pop some holes in there for the bulkhead there, and it was a battle getting this in. Once you take this much material out of a frame, it does out of a body, and it's not on a frame, it does get kind of flimsy. I don't like welding in braces and stuff like that, because if you need to tweak stuff, it's kind of difficult. So I got everything clamped in. I put the cross member in there, and I don't know if you can see the next one in there. They are bolted to the frame, the body's sitting on them, and we'll get everything carefully welded in here. And I think you can see the bow in this side panel. Somebody had put this side panel on before I got the Jeep. See the bad bow in that one. That one's straight. So I've got to bring that one in a little bit. But there's a lot to do, and more coming. You'll see this when everything is fully welded in, and I'll put the top back on, and I'll get the doors swinging perfect again, and get everything squared away here. But Scrambler is coming along, and just wanted to show you what it takes to get a rear floor and pieces in there. But it's coming out great, and I'll show you more from time to time. So thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you on the next one.